Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a TikTok tutorial on how to invite a guest to your live. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is press this plus button on the bottom of your screen. I did not mean to flash you with me in a robe. Hello. If you guys have any questions, oh my god, that just threw me all the way off. Anyway, okay. Not if you guys have any questions. My brain's not working. Bye. It's easy. So when you go live, and I'll just go into practice mode real quick so you guys can see. Okay, you'll see a bunch of different things on your screen, but what you really want to do is just click on this icon right here with the two people. And then you can see if there's guest request, or you can go ahead and invite people up to your live from here. But since I'm in practice mode, I don't think it's going to let me invite people. Or you can press the share button and invite your friends to join your live that way. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a TikTok tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.